and it's like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I can change hands for a second, or oh, I don't need to. Okay. Now watch me with my. Okay, so that's going to be out. That's going to be like that.
Yep.
Going to have my knuckles more around here with grip, my thumb out. Don't take me doing this. Okay, I'm going to move over just a little bit.